You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Welcome back to Rome Tech, and today we're diving into HubSpot CRM and sharing my personal experience using this platform. You'll find links to HubSpot CRM and other helpful resources in the description below. HubSpot CRM is a comprehensive, all-in-one customer relationship management platform suitable for businesses of any size. It's especially attractive to small and medium-sized businesses searching for a robust, yet free solution to streamline their sales, marketing, and customer support efforts. A key strength of HubSpot CRM lies in its intuitive user interface. The dashboard offers a clear snapshot of your sales pipeline, current deals, and essential performance metrics, simplifying progress tracking and bottleneck identification. Adding and organizing contacts into deals or lists is effortless, thanks to automatic data synchronization throughout the platform. HubSpot also integrates flawlessly with popular email clients such as Gmail and Outlook, allowing your team to efficiently log emails, schedule follow-ups, and manage all communications without needing to switch between different applications. Beyond contact management, HubSpot CRM's marketing tools are another significant advantage. You can easily create and automate email marketing campaigns, monitor website visitor activity, and design landing pages and forms, all without requiring specialized technical expertise. These tools are particularly valuable for nurturing leads and effectively guiding them through the sales funnel. The integrated reporting and analytics features offer valuable insights into your marketing campaign performance, enabling you to make informed, data-driven decisions. For sales teams, HubSpot CRM provides useful tools like task scheduling, meeting booking links, and deal tracking, simplifying daily operations. The platform even offers free features such as live chat and a shared inbox, ensuring your team can respond to customer inquiries quickly and efficiently. The availability of these features at no cost makes HubSpot CRM one of the most comprehensive free CRM solutions available in the market. While the free version of HubSpot CRM is remarkably capable, HubSpot also offers paid subscription plans with advanced features, including custom reporting, predictive lead scoring, and expanded automation capabilities. These upgrades are perfect for expanding businesses but might be an unnecessary expense for smaller teams. In summary, HubSpot CRM is an excellent choice for businesses looking for a user-friendly, feature-rich CRM that can adapt to their evolving needs. Its integrated suite of marketing, sales, and customer service tools within a single platform makes it a valuable asset for boosting efficiency and driving business growth. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore HubSpot CRM further and determine if it's the right fit for your specific business objectives. We hope this review helps you decide if HubSpot CRM is the right solution for your team's needs.